Hello and welcome. You're watching WION The World is One. My name is Mohammed Saleh, and let's start this broadcast by taking a quick look as to what is making headlines at this hour. Russia and Ukraine exchanged nearly about 300 prisoners of war in their swap. Zelensky says that some of the prisoners of war have been in captivity for more than 2 years. The Iranian Foreign Minister Abbas Araghchi opposes Donald Trump's reimposition of a policy of maximum pressure against Iran, and he said that it will end in failure as it did during Trump's first term. The Israeli Prime Minister Netanyahu gifts the American President Donald Trump a golden pager, referencing to the thousands of pagers that exploded in Lebanon, resulting in serious injuries to thousands of people there. The Chinese President Xi Jinping holds talks with the Pakistani President Asif Ali Zardari in Beijing and says that China and Pakistan enjoy an ironclad friendship and are all-weather strategic partners. And shortly after voting ended in Delhi's assembly elections, exit polls predict a pretty tight contest between the BJP and the incumbent Aam Aadmi Party. Some polls also forecast a possible comeback for the Bharatiya Janata Party after a hiatus of 28 years. The Colombian President Gustavo Petro's declaration that cocaine is not worse than whiskey sparks concerns over the future of the long-standing US-Colombia anti-drug partnership, marking a pretty dramatic and an interesting shift from decades of coordinated narcotics control, where he now claims that cocaine is not worse than whiskey. And Beijing slams Australia for banning the AI app DeepSeek on government devices on security grounds. It says that it opposes the politicization of economic, trade and technological issues. For all the latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.